Wiring a plug. Instructions. This is a typical British 13 amp plug. Let me show you how to wire such a plug. Loosen the centre screw to remove the cover. Look at the strap at the bottom which holds the flex. To remove the strap, loosen the two screws that hold it. All British plugs need a fuse. Many come with a 13 amp fuse when you buy them, but you should fit a fuse of the right amperage to protect the flex. Choose a 3 amp fuse for appliances up to 700 watts, for example lamps and hi-fi systems. A 13 amp fuse is suitable for electric kettles, irons and fan heaters. Measure the flex against the terminals. This plug requires different wire lengths. The earth wire is the longest. Cut away the outer sheath with a knife or a wire cutter, taking care not to damage the wires. Use wire strippers to remove the insulation without damaging the conductors. Twist the wires and bend them. This ensures a better connection in the terminals. Loosen the 3 terminal screws. Connect the conductors to the correct terminals and tighten the terminal screws. The brown live wire goes into the terminal which has the fuse. The blue neutral wire goes to the terminal marked N, and the green and yellow earth wire to the top. Put the strap on and tighten it to secure the flex. Replace the cover and tighten the centre screw.